Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. Today I have for you a Hobby Lobby clearance haul. So I'm so happy that I was able to go to Hobby Lobby and I was able to pick up some of the clearance. I honestly didn't think I was gonna find any good stuff, but I went to 3 stores, so it was a little bit of work, but I did find some stuff. And one of the stores I was really surprised that they had started marking their stuff off so late, and then another store had gotten a couple of or a few boxes of Valentine stuff in, and it wasn't even marked with the clearance tags. Like, they didn't put the orange clearance tags on them. They just had like this section like right by the cash registers with a big sign that said 75% off Valentine. So I got lucky. I didn't get a lot because there wasn't that much, but I'll show you what I did get. So I'll show you the Valentine stuff. I found these really pretty magnets. Thought those were really pretty. Normally $4.99, so good deal. And then they had this pretty table scatter and some confetti and a cute towel with cats on it, which I thought was really cute. And then they had these scatters, these pink glitter scatters. And they had just a couple of stickers. There wasn't a whole bunch, but I did get one of each of the ones that was there. So there was these. They look like little, they say love, and they look like those little wax melt stamps. Oh, I got 2 of the lips. They had 2 lips. I thought those were so cute. And then they had these glittery hearts. And then they had these like puffy hearts. And then I got a dish. And that's like literally all they had. But I was so excited that I got to get some Valentine stuff. So they had this dish on a pedestal, and it's just a really pretty heart dish. I thought that was so cute. You could probably like do sequence mixes in it or something, right? Or just put like little trinkets in it. So I thought that was so cute. And then I'm surprised that I got so much stuff. I think I have like 2 bags filled. So I'm gonna try to go fast here. And everything's gonna kind of just be random. I was able to get some dies. So I got this really cute die. You know, I can't pass up critters. So I love that polar bear with the trees. Normally $14.99, but they were on sale for $3.74. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit because I got a picture and I want you to be able to see it. This was normally $11.99, but it was on clearance for $1.19. And I just thought she was so cute. I just love her. She's got her little percolator coffee maker. She's got her croissant and her fruit, and she's drinking her coffee, just working on her computer. That's totally me every day when I'm working from home. Thought that was so cute. And for $1.19, like, how could I say no to that picture? So I got that, and then I got this for one of my nieces because she's obsessed with tie-dye. So this was normally $9.99, and it was on clearance for $2.49. And I guess it's a kit, and it comes with rubber bands, gloves, squeeze bottles, a microwave tray, and a booklet. I thought that was a good deal. I'll give her some more ideas to do with her tie-dye. And let's see. I got some more dies here. I got this Spellbinders die, and you can see up in the top right hand corner what it is. It says ho ho ho, be merry, and it's got Santa and the reindeer. And there's a truck, and I have the truck, and so like they have like little accessories to go with it for the different seasons. So I think the ones I have are like fall themed, so I was happy to get the Christmas ones. And then I got these little trees for Christmas. These were $3.74. And I got this Santa Claus, which I thought was really cute. And then I love this one. This is so cute from Sizzix. It's a little penguin in a stocking. And it says Cozy Christmas. I thought that was really cute. And I also got this one. These would be cute like when you're doing fireplaces at Christmas time and just put those on your fireplaces, or, you know, you can just decorate it anyway, decorate anything any way you want, but that's what I thought of when I saw these. And then I got this cute Santa riding a bike, and I love how the wheels are hearts. It says Merry Christmas. Then, let's see here. Let me get these out. Okay, so in the Happy Planner section, I got these plastic envelopes. So like they just go into your planner, and let's pull it out and see what it looks like. So it just goes into your Happy Planner, and it's an envelope. So I thought those were neat. How much were those? Those were $2.24. How many come in here? 3. What does this say on the front? She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. Today looks bright. Oh, it shows you on the back what they say. So those were fun. And oh, I got these. These are called sticker planning guides. And so basically what they are is they're plastic, and they're different layouts, and like you can put your stickers on them, and they're clear. And then you can like put them on top of your planner, and if like you don't like the way that they're set, you can move them around until you like the way everything looks, and then you can go ahead and put it in your planner. So I thought those were fun, and those were $2.49. And then I got this notebook, and it says Wild at Heart, and I thought it was really cute. This was $2.74, and let's see what the pages look like. Let's see. And I like how they have dividers. So like if, like, let's say you're like keeping track of things, like here's my grocery list, here's my craft supplies list of things I need to buy, here's my to-do list or whatever. You know, I just like that they have tabs. Or like, you know, if you brainstorm for different things, you can, you know, put, you know, different sections in here. And then I like to buy these too, because it's nice to have these to like interchange with. You can change the cover on your planners. You can have like additional rings, or the dividers can go in a different planner. That's the great thing about Happy Planners. Like you can switch things out, and you can make like a Franken planner. Then I got another one. This was $3.74. This is also a note one, and this one's huge. So pretty. I love that blue color, and it also has like divider tabs, and it's just notes. Oops, I'm banging up my new dish. And then I got this. This is, I think this is undated if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is a faith. I think I must have taken this out and looked at it. You guys, I got so many like beads and charms and ribbons and stuff. You're not even gonna believe I got so much stuff. So this is like a faith extension. So you could like, it's part of the faith planner, and it's undated, which is really nice. So, and it just comes with like different dividers, and it has like different like faith based like sayings. So I thought these were really pretty. So I got that. And then one more Happy Planner thing. And that is, this is another one. This is Planner Companion and Accessories. So this is cute because it says, love one another just as I loved you. I love that. And inside it has a dry erase board, 2 vision boards, 3 envelopes, a pocket folder, 20 note sheets, 55 stickers, a storage folder, and a pouch for $7.49. Normally $29.99. Such a good deal. So that was it from all the planner stuff. Then one last thing from that area, but it's actually a little cookbook, and it's funny because I saw this on clearance at one store, but I didn't see it on clearance at the other 2 stores. So I thought that was really interesting. So I thought this was such a cute little book for recipes. So it already has all your tab dividers. It's got these cute little grills in it. And here's all your dividers. So you just have to like organize them. It's got recipe conversions. Then you can put your recipes in here. You could also, like, you can like put your, you know, clip your recipes here. You can also clip them and put them on these things. You can, you know, print them out, like type them up, print them out and put them on here. You could also write them out here. So I just thought this was so cute. And it was normally $19.99 and it was on clearance for $4.99. So, okay, that's part one. Let me make another video for part two, because otherwise this video is going to be like an hour or maybe like 30 minutes. So, okay, I will make another video and I will be right back. Okay, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.